Hey guys, back again with another car unboxing. So I want to do this unboxing video in the car because I bought this gadget for my car. So without wasting any time, let's go into the video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Rehan and I'm a software engineer. I do a lot of travel vlog, 360 videos, gadget reviews, educational videos, hacking tutorials, mobile app reviews, a lot of it. So if you guys are interested in any one of this topic, just stay subscribed to my channel for more videos. Okay, so in this video we are going to unbox this MI 2-in-1 cable. So let me zoom it and show you. So this MI 2-in-1 cable, why I'm doing this unboxing in the car is it's not to put scene or anything like that. The main reason why I want to do unboxing the car is because I want to test its performance with the Amazon Basics car charger, which I have already made a review on it in my channel. Do check that out in the link in the description below or from my channel. Okay, so I made a review for this and I actually bought this cable to work as a combo for this charger. So that's the main reason like why I brought this cable to test with this car charger. Okay, so first let's quickly unbox it. Okay, so I brought my trusty old all-in-one tool. Okay, so let's unbox it really quick. This wire packaging really came very good, guys, and also it's it's completely sealed. It's really good and trustworthy. I don't know how to remove this. The way how it looks makes me feel like break it and open. Okay, I have broken it. No problem. I hope it will be reliable as well, like the packaging. Wow, this is the wire quality, guys. It looks really good and doesn't even feel very cheap also, guys. It's worth the price. As you guys can see, this the main reason why I bought this is this 2-in-1 support. It supports both micro USB and also this type C, and it doesn't feel cheap like a Chinese product or anything. The quality seems like really pretty good. Okay, so let's connect it to my car charger. So this is the main reason why I bought. Okay, USB goes to USB, so nothing to say about that. All right, so I have untangled it, and the length, it's kind of like how much is the length? Let me see it on the box. Okay, it is a 1 meter cable, guys. Yes, it is a 1 meter cable. So other stuffs like it supports fast charging, which is good, but my Amazon Basics doesn't support fast charging, which I have already told in the previous review. Okay, yes, so if you guys don't believe me, I can show you guys here as well. It supports quick charging. It is 1 meter cable, and also it supports fast data transfer as well, which is really good, right? So let's quickly connect it to my phone and see whether it supports fast charging or not. So by default, my Amazon Basic car charger doesn't support fast charging. So if I connect it to this, let me show it to you guys. So this is after connecting to the Amazon Basics car charger, so it just shows as charging. Okay, so let me pop into my car charger that has a fast charging support, which is the Samsung fast charger, which I also have made a review in my channel. Do check that out in the link in the description below. Okay, so let me switch this 2-in-1 cable to my fast charger. Let me remove it and I connect it to my fast charger. I'm plugging into my power source. Now let's see whether it supports fast charging. Wow, yes guys, this cable does supports fast charging, as you guys can see. Wow, right? cool, guys. So don't worry, guys, this mi so this mi 2-in-1 supports fast charging, guys, no matter whether it's your micro usb or type c supported phones. So don't worry about it. So that's a quick review about this mi 2-in-1 cable, guys. So this cable is really good, guys. Even when I remove this one, it's kind of like a very solid. So this is kind of like, this is not a kind of a plastic or anything. It's kind of like a plastic rubbery quality. I recommend not to remove it as frequently as you can. But the main reason why I bought this cable, for even though this Amazon charger has a 2 USB port, is just to reduce the wire cluttering, or so that my dashboard won't look messy. So that's the main reason why I bought this 2-in-1 cable, so that I can able to charge both any phones if I wanted. Okay, guys, so that's it about this mi 2-in-1 charger cable. So I hope you guys like this review, and if you guys like this review, just leave a thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel for more videos, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today we are going to unbox this mi 2-in-1 cable inside my car. So I want to do it as a different video, so that's why I wanted to do it in my car, because I bought this for my car charger. That's the main reason I'm doing this video in the car. So without wasting time, let's go into the video.